y'all, my name's Raven. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is living their best life, and if you aren't, please do something today to put you on the path of living your best life. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you guys through this twist out tutorial, which turned out so good using my Mielle Organics. So let's just hop right into this video. So as you guys can see, I have already split my hair into 4 sections. Well, actually it was 3 sections. I split it in half, and then I split that other half in 2 sections, as you can see, you know. And right now I'm working on the back section. So I put the curl smoothie in my hair, just a little, not even a whole palm size, probably just a third of my palm. And I'm just smoothing that through that section of hair. I'm using a brush. I don't know if it's exactly a tangle teaser, but it gets the job done, you know what I mean? So I'm just smoothing that through my hair, making sure it's getting on every single strand. And then after I smooth it into this section, I'm splitting my hair, or splitting that section into half, and I'm going ahead and smoothing on that curling custard, or that coil custard by Mielle Organics. So even though this is not a sponsored video or anything, I'm gonna just let y'all know that this brand, or at least this line in their brand, it smells so good. It has like a fruity, fresh smell. It doesn't necessarily smell like apples or oranges. It's not really citrusy. The best way I can just describe it is like, it's just fruity. It has a sweet smell to it, and it smells so good. And then on top of the coiling custard, I put my oil mixture on my scalp and along the length of my hair. That oil mixture, it's coconut oil, olive oil, some peppermint oil, and a bunch of other oils that I'm forgetting right on the spot. But I'll leave it in the comments, as well as a link to the video of me doing a hot oil treatment with this. And it goes a little bit more in depth, you know. Anyway, I'm smoothing that all throughout my hair, and I'm brushing it through with that tangle teaser like brush. And I just begin twisting my hair. I feel like twisting is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just taking 2 strands and wrapping it around each other. I don't know if I have to go in depth with that. But one thing I will say is, for anybody else out there that is going to do a twist out, make sure you're going in the direction that your curl is. In this one, I'm going in the opposite direction of where or how my curls form. So my curl pattern is a little bit zigzaggy, while also having a little bit of a curl at the end. So I'm twisting towards the front instead of twisting towards the back, even though my curls at the end, it goes towards the back, if that makes sense. And as a result, when I was taking down the twist, it was like my hair was wrapped against each other, because I guess it was really wrapped against each other. It was fighting each other inside those twists. And it made it really, really tangle by the time that I had to wash it again. But that was my fault, to be honest, because when I twisted my hair up, I left it up like this for about 4 or 5 days, and then I took it out like the day before Christmas Eve. And then I left it in that twist out state for about a week and some change. It wasn't fully 2 weeks, it was probably like a week and a half. But baby, when I tell you, my stuff was matted. My stuff was matted as heck, bro. I ain't even mean for it to get that matted either, like, but it's okay. We got all the tangles out, you know. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. This tutorial is all over the place. Oh, wow. But it's okay, you know. We're trying to get back in our YouTube bag. We're trying to get back into the groove of things. So a little bit of awkwardness on my part. It's warranted, you know. Anyway, I'm just doing this for all the sections of my hair, wetting it up, making sure I'm putting the curl smoothie, then the custard, and then my oil all over my hair. And I'm just taking small sections and twisting it up. I think in total for each half of my head, I had about 8 to 10 twists, for a total of 16 to 20 all throughout my head. And yeah, I kept that in for a few days, allowed it to dry, and then I took it out, which you guys will see in a second. a few days later, and this is how my twists are looking. I already knew this twist out was going to be so nice because usually whenever I twist up my hair, it's flat. The twists are flat. But this time they had a little volume to it. It had a little bit of oomph. So that's how I knew it was going to look good. Just look at my face. I knew it was going to be good. I knew it was going to be good. I knew it was going to turn out nice. Like I said, it's giving wand curl. Like a really, really tight wand curl, but still wand curl. Like, yeah, I like this. I like this right here. If that doesn't tell you all you need to know, I don't know what else does. I don't know what else I got to say.
Crown, that's a jam.
Ew. Just off a deuce. Y'all, while I was making TikToks, I was doing this one TikTok with the song Just Drop a Deuce. I don't know if that's the actual title of it, but it's a song lyric. Just drop a deuce in the juice and the Sprite. Something like that. I didn't register what he was saying until that moment. Just drop a deuce. I don't know who be saying that for real, but look at this. Look at how these curls turned out. Guys, this might be my best twist out. This is so cute. Just look at it. So now I'm going to add some more of my oil on my hands, you know. Put that up there. Do a little bit of the fuzzy wuzzies, you know. And then we're gonna fluff. So far this is super cute though. Cannot lie. But now onto separating it. So while I'm separating my hair, I do have a little bit of that oil or my oil mixture in my hands. And how I'm separating it, I'm just pulling it apart, to be honest. I'm not really twisting it around my finger, doing any of that, because I didn't really care to hold, I guess, the necessary shape that it came out as, or those wand curls. I wanted volume. I was looking for a nice little wash and go texture, but not necessarily my hair texture, you know? Something more defined. So I'll just pull apart the twist in a way where it just naturally fell apart. And yeah, and that's how I was able to get these sort of curls instead of that wand curl look that I have before I even take down a twist. That's why the next time I do a twist out, honestly, I'm going to rock this little wand curl look or the wand curl effect. But I probably will end up doing more twists as opposed to just 20. Because I like the volume of having more twists in my hair as opposed to just a few. You know what I mean? But it does remind me, I haven't done a mini twist since 2020. And I think I'm a little bit traumatized, honestly, because I had to cut my hair since it matted all the way up. And I just did not know how to untangle it. And then it was just super damaged after that, man. But no lie, mini twists before that time, it really was the vibe for me. Like, I would say that mini twists was the style for me that helped grow my hair, because I really just didn't touch my hair. I just allowed it to stay in the mini twist. But I don't know what was in the air back in 2020, but that stuff, it just locked up, man. And it wasn't even like, it didn't even lock up. It just matted at the root, bruh. And I'm still a little bit traumatized from that. But you know what? We gotta face our fears. We gotta face our fears, you know. I'm probably not gonna do a mini twist though right now, because I'm about to start my last semester before I graduate college. I'm gonna be a software engineer. Yeah. But yeah, whenever I go back to school, I just put my hair in either box braids or some type of style that's going to last me at least 2 months. So then I can get a feel for the semester and get ahead of my classes and stuff. And then I can wear my hair out and about, because I have time to really take care of it once I get ahead in my classes. But this load that I'm taking on next semester, it should not be that heavy. I'm taking 2 heavy IT classes, but I don't think it's going to be that heavy. I took all my heavy classes over the past 2 years, I swear. All my heavy load classes where I'm staying up till like 3 a.m. doing work, all that stuff I covered over the past 2 years. Now I need a break. I need a little break. I need to get my portfolio together and apply to some more jobs, man. I feel like next semester it's not going to be busy in regards to school. It's just going to be busy in regards to finding a job and making myself marketable. Which I probably should have. I did start a little bit before the last semester of college, but now I just really have to buckle down and hone in on my skills and make some work. But we'll see what that does. We'll see how that happens, or what happens, what's the result of that. But I'm hopeful. I have good vibes about it. Good feeling. So yeah, guys, this is the end result. Look at it. It's nice. It's not. Don't lie. Don't be a hater now. You know it looks nice. Alright guys, so that's the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, hit the like button down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for future videos. With that being said, I hope everybody lives their best life. Peace, love, and light to you all.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.